Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Vivo supports game mode and opening settings. Go directly to game space to begin. Once there, add the game by tapping the plus icon and grant permissions for overlays and notifications. Make sure you disable battery saver and enable high performance so the system won't throttle the game. These steps prevent lag and background restrictions. After adding the game, you're ready to configure in-game shortcuts and performance profiles before launching. Now you configure the meat of game mode. Choose a performance profile based on heat and battery, balanced for longer play, high for smoother FPS, ultra if thermals permit. Once done, enable frame rate stabilization and touch response optimizations to reduce input lag, and activate network acceleration to prioritize game packets. Make sure to map quick actions like screen record, block calls, and brightness lock so you control interruptions. These settings directly affect responsiveness and network stability during play. Launch the game from inside game space so your chosen settings apply immediately. You'll see overlays for FPS and connection info. Use them to judge performance. Once in, play a short match and monitor FPS and temperature. If you notice stuttering or heat spikes, switch to a lower profile or reduce resolution. Make sure to clear the game cache, update system firmware, or reinstall game space if problems persist. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes persistent mode activation and stability issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.